Can everybody see me in my backward name thing? All right, well that looks good. I guess I can work with that. So we're gonna do the draw. You guys, I hope you didn't think I was kidding. When you go to the Hy-Vee supermarket, this is the chicken bucket that they've got. I got 2 different cameras to look at. It's freaking me out, man. My friend Darren, he's an actual actor. I'm sure he's used to this, but it weirds me out. These are all the $5 guys. I put a 5 there so I can remember. All right, and that's I got everybody in there. And there's only 2 guys. The $1 guys, where are you? Which camera am I looking at? Where's the red light? You $1 guys, right there, man. 50-50 shot. So what we're gonna do is I'm taking this off. We're rolling the up and up. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves, nothing up my sleeves. My cheap Salvation Army shirt sleeves here. And we're gonna do this drawing. And what this is, for any of you guys, for some of you guys who don't know, where have you been? Where have you been living? In the caves outside of Kansas City and Lee Summit? So, you're gonna become a Patreon member. Patreon, I got this here. Oh, I can't believe this thing's giving me a low battery and I had it plugged in. Zimmy, what'd you do to me? I gotta make this quick then. Patreon.com/Spritz by Fritz. That's how you can become a member. I got $1 tiers. A $1 tier guy is gonna win this in a moment of seconds. And I'm filming this because if I lose the feed, I'll stop and I'll plug back in so you guys can see. You know, as a matter of what, let's stop now. I'm gonna do that. I don't want anybody to miss this. So give me a second. I'll be editing half of that crap out of the other one. Nothing up my sleeve. Oh wait, and then the $5 guys, the crazy bomb they made out of a fire extinguisher. Then one of you guys is gonna win this. So, I don't have a sexy assistant. Zach didn't work today. So we'll mix these up. I got this gas tank right here. Everybody can see that? Oh, the guys at home over there. Okay, well, we'll hold it up. I got you guys here. I got these guys there. Who's gonna win this? Who's gonna win this? The Ratfink. Can you guys see it? Everybody see that? There you go. The Ratfink on the half-pint can. Who's gonna win it? I'm looking like this. I got a piece of paper. There's only 2 guys for $1. All right, 50-50 shot. Who's it gonna be? Joel Blackburn. You guys, it's backwards. If you put your phone in the mirror, you can see it. This is the guy here, Joel Blackburn. Joel wins this. Joel, I got your email on here. I'm going to be contacting you to get your address and everything. Unless you're home and you're excited, you passed out, your wife's going, oh my God, the lid just flew off. Just like Joel's head. You can email me, spritzbyfritz@AOL.com. This is yours, buddy. And now, we got a lot of people in here. I'm the other guy. I'm going to have to take him out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. All right, and I want you to see, there's nobody taped to the bottom or anything goofy like that. So let's mix these guys up good. I got to say, I enjoy this. This is fun for me. I know I'm giving shit away, but it's fun. Come on. What else have we got to do, right? I'm mixing them up good. Look at this. Shake and bake chicken, baby. That's what we got. Shake and freaking bake. Yeah. Shake and bake. Those 2 guys. What a bunch of Maronis. All right, I think that shook up pretty fly. We'll do it like this. All right. That's it. That's my $5 bucket, guys. All right. Who's it going to be? I don't know. Do you know? It could be anybody. All right. I'm reaching in here. Like, you know, like a big bowl of M&Ms. Who's going to win? We know it's not Mike Babbitt. Nah, because he's not in. All right, so I'm going to take this one. This is the guy. This is the guy. The guy, this guy, whoever this guy is. And I'll tell you something. I noticed from writing these all down, a lot of people have Gmail. This guy right here, this guy, he wins this thing. I know, shut up already. Tell us who it is. Let's look and see. Jimmy Hoffa. Is there a Jimmy Hoffa out there? Anywhere? Jimmy Hoffa? No, I don't think so. Michael Hill. Michael Hill wins the big bomb guy. So Michael Hill, congratulations. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa. I don't know what you're into, but happy what have you. Michael Hill, you're the bad boy that wins this thing. Way to go. And you know what? Thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. I really appreciate it. This is me giving back to you guys. I can't emphasize enough how much I appreciate it. Supporting my YouTube channel. Fritz Fink is the name of the YouTube channel. And just like I say, patreon.com/Fritz by Fritz. You too can be a Patreon member. You get to see all my YouTube videos, you know, a day, 2 or 3 before anybody else does. And you get to win cool junk. Now, Uncle Zimmy gave me an ammo can. You know those square ammunition things? I'm thinking that's going to be my next $5 thing in like 2 or 3 months or 5 months or whatever. We'll see. It depends how long it takes me to finish it. And the quicker this Pontiac gets the hell out of here, woo, the better off we are. Because I'll have more time to do stuff like that. So that's the drawing, that's it. And I really appreciate you guys supporting me. Like I say, it's like PBS. You get what you give, I guess. So